Ever wondered how to put your own branded spin on that default Shopify maintenance page? Today, we're diving into how to change the maintenance image on your Shopify store to keep things professional and engaging during those all-important updates. First things first, log into your Shopify admin once you're in. Look for Online Store on the left-hand navigation menu, click on that, and then select Themes. You'll see your current theme listed here. To make our changes, we need to access the theme editor, find the Customize button, usually located to the right of your theme's name, and give that a click. This will open up Shopify's theme editor. It might take a moment to load completely. Once it's loaded, you'll see your store's preview on the right and customization options on the left. Now, we need to locate the specific section that allows us to customize the maintenance or password page. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your theme, but commonly you'll find it under options related to pages, settings, or sometimes a specific maintenance page or password page section in the sidebar. Click on the section that best fits the maintenance page scenario. For most themes, this will be the password page settings. Inside the password page settings, you should see an option to upload or change an image. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Choose Image or Change Image button where you'd normally add a logo or banner. This will bring up your Shopify media library. You can either select an image you've already uploaded, or you can upload a brand new image that's perfect for your maintenance announcement. Make sure your image is well-sized and visually appealing. Once you've chosen your image, it will appear in the placeholder within the theme editor. Don't forget to hit that Save button, usually located at the top right of the screen, to apply your changes. And just like that, your Shopify store will now display your custom maintenance image, keeping your customers informed and your brand looking sharp, even when your store is offline for updates.